Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download a song from Spotify. It is very easy. First of all you have to do is open the Spotify app on your phone. On Spotify, I have already created a playlist which I named as Download to show you in this video. In the download playlist, I have added a bunch of tracks that I want to listen. What I will do, I will click the three dotted button option which is just below the track that you want to download. Click on the three dotted button. And here you will see an option called Download just under the Add to Other Playlist option. Click on the download button. The track I have selected also has a video because it's also a podcast of Joe Rogan. Do I want to download the audio only or I also want to download the video? This option merely depends upon your preference, but in my case I only want to download the audio. So I will go to the settings. Here I will select Download Audio Only button and turn on the toggle. Once the toggle is turned on, I will go back and again click on the three dotted button and click on Download. I can also download multiple tracks. The downloaded tracks will be saved on Your Episodes tab in my playlist section. If I click on Your Episodes, here I will see all of the tracks that I have downloaded on Spotify. And that's how you can download any song from Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.